Welcome back to Motorcycle Maintenance Channel. So on this episode, we're going to show you how to put the double bubble windscreen on this R6 motorcycle. This should help with taking the wind off the rider, and it's tinted, so it looks cool. All right, guys, the first thing we're going to do to replace this windscreen is take out the 4 Phillips screws in the front of the bike. Next, we're going to loosen these 10mm bolts that hold the mirrors on. There's no need to take them all the way off though, just loosen them. There we go. And there it is. Now to get our new windscreen from Zero Gravity. All right. Looks like it's on there flush, and now we're going to put back the Phillips screw nylon bolts in first, and then tighten the mirrors again. These bolts aren't metal, they're like plastic or nylon, so no need to over torque them. All right, now we'll tighten our rear views back on. When I do this, I'm going to hold the windscreen down with my thumb just to make sure it's getting clamped into place by the rear view 10mm bolts. All right, there we go, guys. Now our rider is going to have the extra privacy and less fatigue from all the wind that's going to be hitting them in the face from the double bubble. I'm sure Zero Gravity made an excellent product and we installed it. Stay out of the grease, everybody.